especially the instance where you're using your cat's paw and you can't quite get enough leverage on there, and it's difficult to pull it out. So I have my Martinez hammer. It's got a little spot in there. I don't know if that's what it's used for, but that's what I use it for, to put it over my cat's paw and get a little more leverage.
When you get a fucking socket up here like that, instead of marking it out, it's plasterboard like that, use the corner of it to like mark the fucking metal bit. You've seen me do it a few times, haven't you? I think it's better using corner. You can like get in there a bit better. So now I'll just put that up against it. Remember roughly where your socket is and just give it a tap. And you're trying to transfer the chalk onto the back of the board. Bring that off. Let's have a look at that. Look at that, and that's your socket.
Alright guys, this is how to find the angle of anything across a job site, whether you need, the pitch of a roof or the angle of a board. We're going to show you right here on this brace, and all you need for this is a square and a chalk box. So how you start out is you hook your square, or you hook your chalk box right on the end of your square, and you're going to run it, and you just run it kind of long, and then you just set it just like that. A lot of people will know this, but you might not. So this is a plumb line. So gravity is going to make this straight every time. You come over here and you stick your pivot point right onto that board. And then you can see that the line is plumb. So then you move this right to where it's plumb, and then you can see it's a 49-degree angle.
Finding the center of any length board, instead of coming straight across and trying to divide some random number, turn your tape measure at an angle till you hit an easy number to divide, like 10, mark 5, that's the center. Same with this one, at an angle, 6, 3, that's the center.
nail you can't get to with your pry bar, that's what a cat claw's for. See that? Like that. Get down under it. Pop that nail right out.